Replacing the windows in your home is a great way to improve the value, energy efficiency, and beauty of your home. Victor-built sash packs make replacing the windows in your home quick, easy, and less expensive than many other replacement window alternatives. Victor-built sash packs in the Estate and Palmetto series have superior energy efficiency and exceed the U-value requirements for Energy Star. Victor-built sash packs look like traditional wood windows, but are made from advanced materials. They are true low-maintenance windows with pre-finished composite materials that boast an extended warranty, so you know they will last. Installation of the Victor-built sash pack is quick and easy, and in most cases, there's no disturbance of interior or exterior casing. This video walks you through how to install a Victor-built sash pack. The time required to remove the old windows and replace them with the Victor-built sash kit will vary, but in many cases, the process should take about 15 minutes per opening. To get started, you will need to know how to measure your existing windows. If you are unsure, you can visit our website for more detailed instructions, but we are including a how to measure in this video. You will need to verify and record the width and the height of your sash opening. For the width, measure from the inside of the left jamb to the inside of the right jamb. This is the surface that the current sash and balance rest against. Measure in the middle, at the head, and close to the sill. For the height, measure from the inside of the head jamb to the surface of the sill, where the lower sash meets the sill. Measure this in at least 2 locations. Often in older homes, you will find that settling has made window frames out of square, so take care to observe this. Sash packs can only fit well into a relatively square opening. If the sash are not meeting properly at the check rail, your new sash will most likely not meet either. Once your measurements are complete, you can make your sash selections and order your sash packs. Now that your sash packs have arrived, let's show how to remove the old sash and install the new Victor-built sash packs. First, prepare by verifying that the materials you received are correct and that you have what you need to complete your installation. Important: do not remove any of the existing window components until you have verified that you have the proper components to replace it. Not having the proper size sash kit and components will prevent the opening from being secured. Here is what is included in your Estate Series Sash Packs. 1 pair of sash, left and right compression balances, 8 black rubber bumpers for use on backside of balances, 8 jamb balance clips, 16 screws for mounting wall clips, head vinyl parting bead. Make sure you have the tools needed to complete the installation: safety goggles, gloves, reciprocating saw, Phillips head screwdriver, 5-way painter's tool, shop vac for cleanup, extension cord. Now let's move on to the old sash we're going to remove. We are going to show how to remove what is the most common sash targeted for replacement in homes today: the classic putty glazed single pane window. Although the windows themselves are typically the same type of construction, the balance system can vary. First, free up any of the old sash that may be painted shut, as you will need to operate them to most easily remove them. A good 5-way tool can be a great aid in this process. Operate the sash and align them in the opening so that you can get your recip saw above and below the rails. Assuring you have a long enough recip saw blade, cut down through the top rails directly over a vertical muntin bar, remembering to stop once your blade cuts to the muntin bar. Repeat this process from the bottom rails up to the same vertical muntin bar. Now you can remove the sash without having to take off either the inside or the outside casings. Over the years, there have been many different types of balances used on windows like this, but most are very easily removed. So now remove the balances and clean up the jambs on your finished opening. Examine the head parting bead, which is the piece that creates the pocket for the top sash to slide into when it is fully closed. For most head parting beads, this piece can remain and does not need to be replaced. If it does need replacing, use the vinyl head parting bead included in your Sash Pack kit to install in the header. Examine the jambs and sill corners, removing any nails, dirt, and buildup of excess paint to allow the balance to fit properly. Next, you will apply the jamb balance clips, 4 per side, at locations shown according to instructions shown in the jamb kit. These locations vary depending on the height of your windows. Note that the jamb balance clips have a side that is stamped blind stop, and that edge is to be toward the outside of the window. Now load the rubber bumpers into slots on the back side of the left and right balances. Next, apply the balances by pressing them onto the jamb clips until the click of the hook grabbing the back of the balance is heard. Most people find it is easier to start at the head and move down when applying balances. Once you have assured all jamb balance clips have connected to your balances, you are ready to drop in your windows. Notice that there are 2 tracks in each balance where a spring-balanced shoe rests, an outside track and an inside track. Those are where you will load your sash before tilting them up. Take care to notice the hole in the shoe where the tilt pin on the sash is going to go. Start with the top sash, which is the one that has the keeper portion of the lock on it. Hold the sash so that it is parallel with the ground and the outside of the sash is facing up, and the inside is facing down. Also make sure that the tilt pins are farthest from you. Approach the window opening and tilt the sash so that one of the tilt pins goes into the outside track shoe. Now lower the sash and bring the other side tilt pin into the other outside track balance shoe. Now you are ready to even the sash up parallel with the floor and tilt it up into the track. Next, apply the bottom sash using this same method, except on the inside track. Now, lock the sash and clean up. You are done. Congratulations! You have now replaced your window. Thank you for using Victorbuilt Windows and our video on Sash Pack installation.